Marbles on Stream is a marbles racing game where you can have each of your live stream viewers become a marble and race other viewers on crazy physics-driven tracks. Viewers have only ever been able to join the marbles race using chat commands if the stream has been through Twitch. Until now, I will show how you can have viewers join the marbles race through chat commands on your YouTube live stream by using Streamer.bot. You'll need to import the text code into Streamer.bot for the actions and the commands. You'll find that in the description of this video or in the import section of wherever you're watching this video. So you'll take the text from the import code, copy it, go over here to Streamer.bot, hit the import button, paste it in here. You should see the name Haunter's Marbles on Stream for YouTube with 3 actions and 3 commands. Go ahead and hit the import button. And now you can see our commands are here and our actions are here. The next thing you need to do is go to your file explorer. You're going to want to create a new file. So I have mine in a funny folder here called text files. Go ahead and create one. Let's go to new text document. We're going to name it marbles video dot CSV. Make sure to name it CSV. And when it asks if you want to change the file name because it might become unstable, then that's fine. Now remember where you saved that file because we're going to need it. The next step is you're going to want to go to the Start Marbles List action, go to the sub action of Set Argument, double click, and this value here is where you're going to update the file to that CSV file location. Make sure that when you update it that you use those forward slashes that are found in here, not just copying and pasting the Windows File Explorer location. Once you've updated that, hit OK. The next thing you want to do is probably just copy this. Copy sub action, move down to the user command action. And the easiest thing I found is just to paste here. Move this to the top with your updated address and delete the old one. Easiest that way. You could go in here and double click and update the address, but easier the other way. The last thing you need to do is this write to file sub action. Double click here. And on this write to file to, you're going to want to hit these 3 dots and you'll find that marbles race CSV that you had before and you created and save it as there. If it asks if you want to replace it, then you just hit yes. And that's really all the setup that you need. All right, let me show you how this works. So we have our 3 commands here: close marbles, marbles, and start marbles. Something I didn't mention in the past was that you will probably want to change the user permissions here so that it only allows your user to trigger the start marbles and close marbles commands. That way you don't have regular viewers starting this and it doesn't add confusion for your mods. So I'm going to go over here and we're going to type in command start marbles. We should see a message pop up. Use marbles to add your name to the marbles game list. You will get a chat confirmation once you're added. So I'm going to add myself using the command marbles. And I got a confirmation message that I have been added to the marbles list. Let me add one more. I have a bot account that I can use and add marbles, and you should see the chat here coming up. So we have the test bot here, and we got the bot message, hey, test bot, you have been added to the marbles list. So now there's 2 of us in here. If you have a lot more viewers, it'll work a little bit better. I only have 2 for testing right now and the demonstration. Then what I'll do is I'll do close marbles, and that should give us a confirmation message that the list is closed, that the entries are now closed. You can activate these through voice commands as well, or just text commands, whatever you want to do. Now that we have everyone entered on the list, we will go into the marbles game. So here we have marbles on stream. Okay, first we're going to go to race. Then what we want to do is down in the bottom right corner, we're going to hit the settings bar. Go to add names, and we're going to open here a file. So when we hit open, it'll take us to a window where we can find our file. I'm going to go down into my text files here. And I think I set this to marbles. Earlier I said marbles video. It doesn't matter as long as you choose the same file that you created and set up in Streamer.bot. I'm going to choose marbles. Hit open. And now over here you can see in our custom names that we have my name and then the testbot name. Once you add these in, make sure to take a quick note of how many names are in the file. There's 2. Then you'll go ahead and hit finish. All right, from here you want to close down the settings bar and then you choose erase. That can be either erase you choose or select it randomly. Then you'll want to go over here and select simulation instead of viewer. And the max number of players, this number is going to be that number we noted just a second ago of 2. Then you hit race. And it will pull up your racetrack. You can see that we have the 2 names that we entered. And once everybody's ready, you go ahead and start the race. And that's about it. I hope that tutorial was helpful. It's all made possible thanks to Streamer.bot. If you'd like to see more of my content and how I use Streamer.bot to supercharge my YouTube live streams, then feel free to subscribe and turn on notifications. I stream late on Fridays and Saturdays, and I'd be happy to see you there. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on the Streamer.bot Discord. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching. Peace.